I'm Ofer Langer, an AI adoption consultant and business automation engineer. I help companies scale and streamline workflows with AI. And today, I'd like to clarify the AI concept of approval fatigue. You probably know the feeling when your agent asks permission every 2 minutes. The first time, you actually read it. By the fifth, you're not reading. You're clicking to make it stop. Security calls it alert fatigue or consent fatigue. And it isn't laziness. In a brain imaging study, people in an MRI scanner were shown security warnings over and over. The first time, their visual centers lit up properly. By the second time, they barely lit up at all. Eyes on the warning, brain already gone. That's not a choice, that's habituation. Even worse, a warning that lands while you're typing collides with what you're already doing. Up to 90% ignore it. Only one fix worked. Change how the warning looks every time. Simonis is what your brain filters. Maybe I shouldn't have signed that.